5 Shocking Mysteries Beneath the Polar Ice. In August 1946, esteemed U.S. naval officer and explorer Admiral Richard Byrd, one of the first pilots to fly over both the North and South Poles, organized Operation Highjump. This was the largest expedition ever to travel to Antarctica, consisting of 13 ships, 23 aircraft, and over 4,700 military personnel. This operation was significant, especially following the conclusion of World War II. Byrd was tasked with mounting a large armada for a 4-month mission starting in December. However, by the end of February, something unexpected occurred. One of the mission's official goals was to investigate sites for potential military bases in Antarctica. During his explorations, Admiral Byrd allegedly discovered something highly unexpected. According to accounts from his diaries, which were not published and later suppressed by government authorities, Byrd came upon an entrance to the center of the Earth through the South Pole. He and his squadron flew under the South Pole and discovered a temperate, lush, and green area, which was completely unexpected. In his diaries, Byrd described seeing a shimmering rainbow city made of crystal. His plane was taken control of by flying disc-shaped objects, which led him to the ground. He was then escorted into a cavernous area where he met a being he referred to as the Master. The Master expressed disappointment with humanity's use of nuclear weapons, citing the recent destruction of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. They hoped that humanity would ultimately stop this destructive behavior. For UFO researchers, Byrd's account is particularly significant as it aligns with the beginning of the modern UFO era, post-World War II, and the detonation of the first atomic bombs. Notably, a high number of UFO sightings have been reported near nuclear missile silos. Byrd's story is consistent with numerous accounts of angelic or extraterrestrial beings concerned about humanity's use of nuclear weapons. Some U.S. Air Force officers have reported seeing their nuclear missile silos disarmed by perceived extraterrestrial beings. If Byrd's secret diary is authentic, it suggests the existence of highly advanced beings living inside the Earth who are monitoring surface activities. Upon his return, Byrd was eager to share his story but was ordered to remain silent. He was taken to a government compound and told never to speak of his experience publicly, as everything he encountered was classified. Byrd's story suggests a profound connection between ancient traditions of strange beings living inside the Earth and modern-day UFO phenomena. Ancient astronaut theorists believe we may soon encounter these inner Earth beings face-to-face. Antarctica, covered nearly 98% by an ice sheet up to 3 miles thick, remains a land of extremes. The extreme conditions and remoteness make it a perfect setting for hidden activities and mysteries. Despite being discovered nearly 250 years ago, scientists have more questions than answers about Antarctica due to the sheer depth of its ice cover. Ancient astronaut theorists propose that not only the geology but also human and non-human activities remain hidden. They suggest that Antarctica might be the site of an alien base, with extraterrestrial activity rumored for years. In July 2018, Linda Moulton Howe interviewed a whistleblower, a retired Navy SEAL known as Spartan 1 who provided classified information about Antarctica. Spartan 1 described an octagonal structure protruding from the ice, which he and his team investigated in August 2003. The structure had thick doors that opened effortlessly and maintained an internal temperature of 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, despite the 40-degree external temperature. The walls were lined with unfamiliar hieroglyphics. The possibility of mysterious structures buried at the South Pole, built by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization in our remote past, raises intriguing questions. Some suggest that an ancient civilization, possibly connected to the story of Atlantis, was flash frozen in Antarctica. Plato's dialogues, mentioning a lost civilization, hint at such possibilities. Scientific anomalies, radar and satellite images, and eyewitness accounts continue to add pieces to the puzzle of Antarctica. Modern whistleblowers argue that there is more to Antarctica than we know, suggesting the presence of alien bases and advanced civilizations. In 2016, a satellite image revealed a man-made entrance in an Antarctic mountain range, fueling speculation about hidden structures. In 2018, Internet researchers identified what appeared to be a UFO crash on the Antarctic island of South Georgia, with skid marks suggesting a crash landing. Some ancient astronaut theorists liken the shape of this alleged craft to the mysterious interstellar object Oumuamua. If online researchers have indeed located the remnants of an extraterrestrial vehicle and the entrance to an underground alien base, it could be one of the greatest revelations in human history. Satellite photos and eyewitness accounts continue to suggest the existence of secret, possibly extraterrestrial bases beneath the Antarctic ice.